Section 5 Pearl Coschem Limited DCIT. What is that? Section 5 Scope of total income, accrual of income, sale proceeds, memorandum of understanding of the SIPL of investment in the project to be excluded, that's SIPL to invest in a project to be excluded by SIPL. Okay. Agreement for sale. Project was not completed. Whole profit cannot be taxed in the fifth year or of the extension of MOE. Manner remanded. Remanded. Okay. Hell, the assessing officer could not have bought the whole profit of the project to tax in the first year of execution of MOA. Okay. Since the claim of the assessee was not verified by the commissioner and it needed proper verification, the manner was to remitted to file assessing officer to redo the assessment de novo. He was directed to verify the status of the project as it could be taxed only in the extent of the income which accrued to assessee during the relevant assessment year. Pearl Coschem DCIT. What they are saying is you have a project based upon the completion certificate and based upon the cost and based upon the project amount, that is project what you're going to receive, it should be proportionated and that profit only can be accounted for profit for taxation purpose too. But in this case, the assessing officer held that the whole profit of the project to tax in the first year of execution. This kind of activity is not right. Yeah. So of the year of so it can't be. It's not right. So this procedure is wrong. This procedure is wrong. That has been said by the case of Pearl Coschem Private Limited DCIT. Now by tribunal.